to see both when I go to ArcGIS and when I go back and forth to the PowerPoint. A lot of this is going to be using ArcGIS.
That's very good, Ann.
Good. First off, for those that went to the UC or the EdUC this year, everything seemed to be ArcGIS. And today I am going to focus on ArcGIS. But be aware that there are other things called ArcGIS. There's ArcGIS Explorer Online. It's a new free browser-based product. You don't need to download any kind of a client. There's ArcGIS Explorer. It's also free, but it is a download. There's Server, there's ArcGIS Online, and if you haven't gone out to arcgis.com, I suggest you do. There's a lot of resources there, both for teaching and learning GIS. And I didn't mistype ESRI's name. It's not ESRI anymore. It's E-capital-S-R-I, or Esri. What I'm going to talk about today specifically is the new dockable windows, and I'm going to show you the GUI interface for search, catalog, and image. We'll talk about some of the new tabs in the software, especially those things that are now available under File, and 2 new Customize and Geoprocessing tabs. Also, I'm going to look at the editing workflow and the new Create Feature Template window. I've got a nice little video of some new 3D capabilities of really doing analysis rather than just visualization. And the last thing I'm going to look at is the image analysis window and GUI toolbars. So right away I'm going to get to the demo using ArcGIS, I hope. And I hope this comes in. I hope everyone can see this. If you can't, be sure and maximize your own screen too. First thing we're going to look at, this is the new interface, and I don't think it's really scary. It looks pretty much like it did before, but we're going to go through the new things on it. First, I want to look at the new File drop-down menu. You're going to see new things here, some things that were the same or similar, but under Add Data, we now can add data from our desktop. We can add base maps from ArcGIS Online or other data from ArcGIS Online. This is also where you're going to add your XY data from your GPS points. Another new thing is this geocoding option. This is geocoding using ArcGIS Online. So there's more ways to do things. You can sign in, so you're constantly signed in to ArcGIS Online. The other thing that's new is we could create layer packages before, but now you can create map packages. So I could actually bundle up this project and put it on my ArcGIS Online account. Please do ask questions. If you have any questions, stop me. Feel free to do so. We have extra time. Now, edit, view, bookmarks, insert, and selection are just about the same. So the next one I want to look at is really the geoprocessing new tab. I really like this because it brought a lot of the functions in for geoprocessing into one place. And for a new user, I think this is going to make it a lot easier because everything is easy to find. The top view, buffer, clip, intersect, union, and merge, and dissolve, those are the ones that people most commonly use, and this is the default. But you can customize this to represent those that you use most often. And it's just click on any one of those items, and it goes to the toolbox. It opens that particular tool, and you're ready to go. You can bring in your data, import your features, clip features, and you're already working. You can go right to the search window, and I'm going to show you the search window in a few minutes, but you can also find it here. You click on search and one of your dockable windows opens. You can access